Okay guys, we come to the lion park. Kelly and Issam are in this little enclosure over here, and they're going to be fed at 3 o'clock. So we come to see them and maybe get some photos of them. Hopefully Shane can take the camera in there and get some close-ups. It'll be amazing. They are the ones that have been rescued from Lebanon. They were caught getting couriered from Syria. So luckily they got saved and been transported back here to Africa, which is cool. They'll live out the rest of their lives here, which is freaking amazing. I did a painting of Issam, which helped raise some funds, and there's some prints here at the park available, and we're going to hopefully see them. They're busy sleeping in a little hut there, and I haven't seen them in real life yet, so can't wait to see them. Haven't had a chance. It's very hot today here, so then all the lions are under the trees, and it's going to be amazing just to get the first real glimpse of them. It's so exciting. Okay, so I've done this painting of Kelly, the rescued lion cub from, or lioness cub from Drakenstein Lion Park, and the photo was kindly given to us by Shane Hart, who's the manager there. He got nice and close. It's an awesome photo, nicely backlit, and he could get up close to her. I tried to take photos of her when we went, but we couldn't get close enough. The camera kept zooming on the fence. So he kindly gave us this beautiful photo. Thanks, Shane Hart. She's the rescued lioness from the Drakenstein Lion Park, and it was quite nice to go see her and take some footage. Shane went in, took the GoPro in, and he got some footage for this video. So thanks to him for that, and hope you enjoyed the whole process. Check it out.